Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your skills development with Coursera, complete guide step by step clearly. To manage your skills development with Coursera, start by creating an account on the Coursera website. Visit the Coursera homepage and click on the Join for Free button. Fill out the required information, including your email address and password. Once you have created your account, log in to access the platform's features. Explore the courses offered on Coursera by using the search bar or browsing through categories. Identify the skills you want to develop and search for relevant courses. Read through the course descriptions, reviews, and instructor profiles to evaluate your options. Select a course that aligns with your goals and click on the Enroll button. Check if the course offers a free trial or a certificate option that suits your needs. Set a study schedule that fits your lifestyle and designates specific times for learning. Start the course by accessing the course materials and following the lesson plans provided. Engage actively with the content by taking notes and participating in any interactive elements. Join the course discussion forums to connect with other learners and instructors. Complete assignments and quizzes to reinforce your understanding of the material. Utilize additional resources, such as readings and video lectures, to enhance your learning experience. Track your progress by checking the course dashboard regularly. If you're holding yourself accountable, consider sharing your learning goals with a friend or colleague. After completing the course, review your skills and assess your newly acquired knowledge. Explore further specialization courses if you want to deepen your expertise. Finally, update your resume or LinkedIn profile to highlight the new skills you have developed through Coursera's courses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.